Okay, so I was a bit worried. Wore pants. I wore Jesse's pants because I don't have pants with inner lining, and I actually put a pad inside. Okay, so I woke up this morning and the pad is totally empty. I'm just being a bit kiasu. So I want to show you guys that this slimming pill, right, doesn't cause you to secrete any oil during unwanted times. Okay, so I went to the toilet this morning. There was some oil. The oil that comes out seems to be getting lesser and lesser. According to Jesse, right, starting a lot of oil will come out. Then it will come to a stage where no more oil comes out. So I don't really know how it works, but I'll keep you guys updated.
So it's lunchtime now, and you guys can see I'm not even stinging on my meals. Look at how much I'm eating with iced coffee as well. And it's just me and a friend over here. Okay, it's just a lot of food. Vlog what I eat. And they're all going to be long. It's okay, you can continue. Doesn't matter one. These videos are not meant to be perfect one.
Okay, so this is day 8. Just got back from City Hall and I'll be doing the slimming machine. Unfortunately, I did not bring the slimming drink or the slimming sweets. Although I ate a super full meal, a full meal of it. What a waste. Anyway, let's start with my second session, day 8, second session of my slimming treatment. I got a very beautiful girl here doing it for me. And I'm gonna start with 85 straight away. Today a little bit different. I'll be doing the full force, which means I'll be doing my tummy and also my legs. Okay, although I really think I don't need to lose any more fats on my legs, but just try. Yeah, so what I'll probably do is just to train the leg muscles to make them tougher, because my legs are already so skinny. Okay, we're starting. Okay, starting now, go! Okay, 10. Okay, then go a bit 70 first. Really? Yeah. What level are we now? 70. Yeah. Feeling good.
Let's check how Glenn is doing today on his second treatment.
Today's one, right, feels like extra effect. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I'm more toned now. Then it affects your muscles even more. So the more you do it, right? Is it like that? Yeah. The more effective. Today feels quite shocked. It feels like, wow, super burning the muscles and all that. I think it's because maybe I got slimmer after the first round, but the effect feels more than before, you know. Strange, I don't know why. So I'm only at what, 70% now, but I feel it, you know.
So he's at 75% today. Yeah, so as you do, right, more fats get burned away, right? And then it targets the muscles more.
Okay, good. Let's see how this does well for me. Okay, how many minutes already? So 6 minutes already. Okay, so 24 minutes to go. Wow, I'm feeling it, man. And then according to Jessie, right, even the calf, even the leg muscles are being shown. You know, I think she took some footage of it just now. Now we're going 90 for the rest of the treatment. We have about 15 minutes left, yeah. Suddenly there's a higher intensity. So for the next 15 minutes, it's going to be at 90. Okay, second session of the slimming machine over. This time round with legs and stomach. How does it feel? It feels like I just finished a workout, okay? So shall we check out the tummy again? This time round, huh? Okay, any difference? I really can't see because the feedback from the camera is too small, because the Osmo Pocket, my camera is very small. Okay, let me just release right now. Release the tummy. Okay, this is the tummy being released. I can feel it's hard, by the way. I can feel hard, okay? I can feel hard. It is hard. Okay, maybe I go nearer. It feels hard, hard, hard. The legs wise, I don't know yet, okay? Tonight I can comment more on the legs. But the tummy feels hard. You guys gotta try it for yourself to know it. Okay, the tummy really feels hard here. I don't have to work out my abs anymore and it feels hard. I don't ever do any abs workout, okay? Let's see if I can just show a little bit more. Okay, let me release. Jessie, you come and feel the tummy is hard, you know? Come and feel the tummy. What are you doing over there so noisy? You try. You feel my tummy. I'm not. Okay, I release. I release. Okay, I release. That means I don't kick. Okay? You feel? You feel, just press.
Yeah, very hard. Yeah. Why so hard?
Wait.
Why so hard?
Okay, I release. I release.
Very hard.
Yeah, I only did 85 all the way and then followed by 90. 85 all the way, 90.
Yeah, man. I want them to do the measurement for you so you can keep your measurement.
Oh, okay. So they're going to take my measurement, although a bit bopake because I'm taking the measurement only after 1 week of slimming. Okay, so should have taken from the start. I think later I'll take my weight as well. I never cake, you know?
Never cake.
I never cake. So I release, you try.
Oh, I never feel your stomach so hard.
It's like, okay, I mean there's still a bulge there, but it's hard.
It's very hard. Especially these two parts, you know?
Do you remember there was once we went to this Chinese TCM, so the guy let us feel, right? Yeah. He has a bulge, but it's hard one, you know. Yeah. So this one really trains up your core, okay? Yeah. Like super good.
Cool, man.
Okay, let's try take the weight now. Okay, so let's use the Xiaomi weighing scale. What does it look like? 72.4. Okay, looks like there's some weight loss over there. Remember I was like 73 kilograms, yeah. So I don't know how come suddenly there's this like don't know how come suddenly, yeah. 72.45. Wow. Slimming drink and the slimming machine seems to working very good, very well. And it's funny, you know, I've been pumping weights, you know, so by right muscle takes up more weight. So I should be getting heavier, but instead I'm getting lighter. Okay, so for dinner, right, the time is 7:31. This is my second meal of the day. And we are having Teochew Muay at Jalan Sultan. And look at this stuff. Lap cheong baby, follow your potato. Let's eat. Okay, so we're going to go for a dessert, mango dessert after this. Mango, right? Most likely. Durian dessert after this. But before that, we're gonna have the thing. I thought we were gonna eat this after our durian dessert, but no. Apparently, Jessie said eat straight away after the full dinner because you only have a 20-minute window, right? Yeah. You only have a 20-minute window to eat this after your meal, and that's why there's now lunchtime I didn't take also. Let's do this. After a while, right, it kind of tastes nicer than Ribena. And for dessert, 我们来到榴莲宝宝. You all cannot see, 榴莲宝宝.
But I so fat.
This very pretty Thai lady. Is it? Thai. So this is our dessert. Not just this, and another one over here. So it's crazy amount of food.
So as mentioned, yeah, this is some kind of a slimming diary, yeah. A slimming diary where you can eat and maybe yet still remain slim. Wow, look at this chobu. And then because she's so chill, right, the store person actually offered us some free samples over here. Popcorn, wafer, candy. Okay, oh my god. Okay, Jessie just showed me, By the way, Jessie's showering over there again, okay? So she just showed me. Okay, I'm gonna take off my shirt again. She was just... Sorry. Okay, so she was just pointing out to me again, that 2 pieces of meat here. I did zero crunches. My whole life, I don't do crunches, okay? Oh yeah, let me try, Hey, I just had durian ice cream times 2. My Teochew Muay at Jalan Sultan. Yeah, I'm the damn full tonight. You can see this thing here. Really, Yeah. Okay, try again, 1, 2. Not 4 square lah. Just see this funny meat over here,
Yeah, not
I don't know whether the camera can pick it up or not. One more time. Let me get ya. I should really cut down on my food for sure. Okay, I don't dare say anything yet. Okay, this is only my second session. Okay, please don't expect that second session you can get some results, okay? Bottom line is, I eat a lot, but I also work out pretty moderate. Yeah, and you guys saw my weight today. I did not gain weight. In fact, I lost a bit. Wow, can you imagine if I watch my diet? I can't watch my diet. Okay, forget it. I'm not gonna watch my diet. One more time, try. 真的咩？你看，帮我看。Really, meh? Really? We should change our lights because it's orange. I can't really see it. Okay, whatever. Day 8, that's all. No supper for me tonight. Okay, enough of supper. I say only should be no supper, no supper. If I sleep early, then I won't eat anymore. The beautiful part about sleeping early is that you tend to skip supper. Okay, so sleep early, everybody. No lah, no Maggie mee tonight lah, okay? I just walked out from the toilet. Okay, today's slimming session, right? Slimming machine, right? Really felt like it had more effect than the last time, which is kind of strange. The power is about the same. Maybe it has a compounding effect, I'm not too sure also, okay? Time will tell, it's only day 8. I'll keep posting videos for whoever who is interested in seeing the results and all that. And I'll also keep periodically taking my weight to see how much, whether my weight would drop. But why would my weight drop when I've been lifting weights? And remember, muscle is heavier than fats. When I lift weights, right, by right, I should be bulking up and being more heavy, but apparently I just lost maybe less than 1 kg, which is strange. Okay, anyway, day 8 over. Good night, guys. Bye.